Hello YouTube, this is Mr. Surplus Nut here, bringing the last video to this small series on my AK-47 going tactical, my WASR 1063, and we've spoken a lot about everything that I'm going to be putting on this weapon. And the last item that I want to cover, which is probably the main thing that really makes it look tactical, and well, one of the main things, everything's important, but it's the handguard quad rail from UTG that I'm going to put on here. I researched a few handguards that you can put on here, but I think on the first or second part I was talking about the issues with if you shoot it a lot and if the handguard doesn't have like a heat shield, it might at some point even melt the polymer from the handguard. And so I decided to go with this one just because it's got so many rails on it that you could mount different things like a handle, you can mount a laser, a flashlight, anything you want. And I saw a lot of reviews on this one, and I just want to show it to you guys. It's made by UTG, okay, and it should turn out really nice the way it's going to end up looking. It's got these rubber pieces on that covers the rails, okay. It's got the rubber pieces. They actually give you, let me see, 3, 9, they give you 12 of them that you can use. Now the only thing with this one is, that you have to, when you go clean the gas tube on it, you have to probably take the top piece off. But I don't think you have to, on AKs, every time you clean it, you really don't have to clean the gas tube that often. And remember, AK-47s are tanks, so let's see how it'll work out. I don't know, but I really like the look that it gives you. It's like a monster freaking handguard, and really nice. One thing I'm planning on mounting on this handguard, it will be like a laser, a tactical laser, and probably, like I was saying before, the handle from silverback that turns into a bipod, so when you go to the range you can use it as a bipod on the table. Some people call those handles broomsticks or whatever, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna go with that handle. I don't know if I'll leave it all the time on, because I like the way this handguard looks. I think this thing is outrageous, and I've seen some tactical AKs with it on, and it makes it really look tough. So this is the handguard that I decided to go with. It's got, it actually gives you 4 rail options to mount anything on it. So we'll see how it turns out. And it's not very difficult to install. And I was thinking of maybe making some videos as I install each item on the AK, but that will really be like a real long series of videos. So all I'm gonna do is, I've shown you guys more or less everything that's gonna go in the AK to go tactical, and I'm just gonna mount it, you know, on there, and I'll show you guys the final video on how the outcome came out. And if you guys leave me a comment as far as how did whatever item, how was it to put it on, or how did I manage to put it on, or the instructions on how to do it, I can always make a video and take it off and show it, you know, whatever item it might be, I'll take it off and put it back on and make a video on that just to show how it's done. But let me tell you, there's already a lot of videos uploaded on YouTube on all these things that you can check it out. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start the transformation on this AK. Leave me any comments, what you guys think, and also subscribe to my channel, because I'm gonna be making a lot of videos where it's gonna be very helpful to anybody that loves this type of stuff. So I'm gonna catch you guys later on with a video on how it came out. So just take a quick look, really good, at the WASR 1063. Okay, the wood came out really nice. Again, I'm gonna put all the wood furnishing away. If you go tactical with your AK, don't throw your wood furnishing away, because if you want to bring your AK back to its original form, you're gonna be screwed. All right, so I'll catch you guys later with the final review on the total transformation of the AK-47 going tactical.